Hi guys, it's Len here. I hope you're having a great day and welcome to Asianadian. Today I'm going to show you how I built this short-legged table that we call Dulang in Ilocano or Chabudai in Japanese. Learn this. So these are the legs and I'm going to cut it with 15 degrees angle. I'm also making 4 little stools for the table. So I'm gonna cut it to 17 inches wide. Now everything is cut. Let's do the sanding.
Now let's do the pocket holes on the back of the 2x6s. And this is gonna be the tabletop. I'm gonna put glue on them and then screw them down. Chabudai is a short-legged table used in traditional Japanese homes. It is used for various purposes, such as study tables, workbenches, or dinner tables. In Ilocandia region in the Philippines, this is called Dulang, and it is being used for the same purposes. Filipino inherited the use of the Chabudai or Dulang from the Japanese soldiers when they invaded the Philippines between 1942 and 1945. And nowadays, most people use this table as a game table, and I think that is a great idea.
So this is gonna be the stool, and I'm putting the legs 2 inches from the edge of the seat. There you go. That's gonna be a stool. See that? Looks so nice. Look at that, is so nice.
Now it's time to make the legs for the tabletop. Repeat the process for the other leg. Now let's put glue again and screw this down on the back of the tabletop. Make sure you center the legs on the back of the tabletop.
So 7 inches on this side, 7 inches on this side, and on this sides it's 4 inches. Awesome. Now I'm gonna make pilot holes to screw down this wood, and this wood into this one.
Now doing the final sanding using 220 grit sandpaper. Now staining it with one of my favorite stains, the Jacobean. Now applying 2 coats of shellac finish. This is to protect the wood from coffee stains or any food stains.
This is it. This is finished.
Now check this out, guys. This came out really nice. It looks so stunning.
That's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave me a comment below, give me a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you on my next video. Of course, it's not plugged in.